Hi friends, welcome back to Girly Tips channel. So today I'm going to share my first unboxing experience of the free beauty product samples from Smytten. Basically, Smytten is an app. You can download this app in Play Store. Through this app, you can purchase like beauty products, makeup, and skincare products. But what actually Smytten makes different from others is they actually send free samples to try it out. I have given my referral code in the description. So after downloading the app, you can choose any 3 trial samples and you do not have to pay for the samples, but you have to pay for the delivery charges. So now I'm showing my referral code. And now I'm showing my order details. So after using your first free trial, 125 rupees will be added to your wallet balance. So this 125 rupees will be automatically deducted from your next shop order, so that you will get 3 more free trials from Smytten. So friends, let's get started with my unboxing Smytten box. I know the contents actually because I selected it myself. So the packaging is pretty good. So I'm opening it. Let's check what's inside. So there is one more box inside. It's written Smytten here. Let's see the back side. It's written never stop exploring, for those who never stop exploring. It is 100% verified genuine brands. So let's open it and see my 3 products. It is wrapped with bubble wrap cover. So these are my 3 products. So first one is coconut and mango body lotion from Anatomicals. This is a 10 ml sachet. So it is written here, direction for use. After showering or bathing, apply onto dry skin and massage until absorbed. This product is actually from London, UK. So the next one is a cream from Ajeffron Organics. It is a SPF 50 plus cream and UV Pro cream. It is suitable for all skin types. It is with mineral rich water and organic soya butter, water resistant, lightweight and non-greasy. It is suitable for all ages and like 2 years plus, and the weight is 5 grams. So this is my second product. And the final one is a cute lipstick from Sultry. This is so cute. The color of this lipstick is coral pink. So let's check. Look at the shade. It's very nice, light shaded one. See it? So this is my third sample. So friends, this is my unboxing video. There will be a variety of samples like hair care, skincare products, essential oils, perfumes, soaps, lenses, green tea, varieties of luxury branded samples. So you can also try it. And friends, please don't forget to enter my invite code, which I have mentioned in the description. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.